Welcome! If you use Telegram on your PC and want to stop round videos from automatically downloading in channels, the latest update has made it quite simple to control. Here's how you can disable the auto-download of round videos step by step. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once you're inside, look to the top left corner of the window and click the three horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Tapping it will drop down a menu with several options. From the menu, select Settings. This will open a new window with many options for customizing your Telegram experience. Next, within Settings, click on Advanced. This section contains deeper controls about how Telegram behaves behind the scenes. In Advanced, scroll to find the section labeled In Channels or similar. Here, you'll see checkboxes related to automatic media downloads within the channels you follow. Look for the option titled Round Videos. These are those circular video messages that often appear in Telegram chats and channels. To stop these round videos from downloading automatically, simply uncheck the box next to round videos. Disabling this will prevent round videos from being downloaded without your consent, helping you save bandwidth and storage on your PC. Once unchecked, your settings will be saved right away, and you can now enjoy Telegram without round videos auto-downloading. This is especially useful if you follow many channels or want to manage your data usage carefully. That's it. Just remember these quick steps. Open Telegram. Tap the three lines top left, go to Settings, then Advanced, and finally uncheck round videos under In Channels. With this simple adjustment, you take back control over what media gets downloaded on your Telegram app on PC.